Property types as categorized in the MLS. A. Residential sale. A single-family dwelling, and up to a 4-unit property, that is for sale. This category includes condominiums, townhouses, and manufactured homes on owned land. B. Residential lease. A property offered for a lease, intended for tenant occupancy. C. Residential income. A 1 to 4 unit property for sale that can generate rental income from tenants. D. Manufactured in park. A dwelling unit that is fabricated or built entirely in a factory, under a federal building code, administered by the Department of HUD, transported to the site, and installed on leased or owned land. E. Manufactured on land. A manufactured property that owns the land. Manufactured homes that include owned land should be placed under the residential property type, using manufactured on land as the subtype. F. Land. A property listed primarily for land value. Properties of this type may or may not include a structure or improvements. G. Commercial sale. A property listed for sale that is permitted for commercial purposes. This category includes 5+ units such as multi-unit dwellings and apartment complexes. H. Business opportunity. A sale or lease of an existing business or enterprise, whole or in part, which may include any combination of the business assets, whether real estate or personal. This would also include the sale of an interest in a business entity that owns real estate property assets. And those are the property types as listed in the MLS. If you have any questions, send us an email. I will leave the email in the comments, or leave us a comment. And if you liked this mini course, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to our training channel and share with others so the YouTube algorithm grows this channel and we can keep creating more mini courses.